To take best advantage of the benefits of black garlic, you should eat it on an empty stomach, although you can also include it in different recipes. Due to its energizing properties, it's not advisable to eat it before going to bed. Today's video will discuss the benefits of black garlic. You can take advantage of the benefits of black garlic. Not only does it increase our defenses, but you also won't have to brush your teeth all the time. What you need to know about black garlic, also known as aged garlic. Black garlic comes from a process of slow cooking or aging. The result of this is a dark vegetable with a greater concentration of nutrients than conventional garlic. It is very popular in Asia, especially in Japan, where they use it as a spice to season dishes. What is black garlic good for? The properties of aged garlic are countless. For example, we can highlight its antibiotic, diuretic, antioxidant and digestive powers, but of course it has many more. 1. It prevents cardiovascular disease. It is a great ally for heart and circulatory health because it's an antioxidant and reduces hypertension, thanks to its allicin content. It also thins the blood, reduces platelet aggregation, and minimizes the risk of suffering from strokes or thrombosis. 2. It's a great diuretic. In addition, it provides a good dose of potassium. That's why this form of garlic is great for people who suffer from liquid retention, edemas, or kidney problems. When you eat it on an empty stomach, black garlic eliminates excess water from your body. 3. It fights fatigue. Aged garlic is recommended for athletes or those who want to improve their physical resistance. In addition, it's also good for fighting chronic fatigue or exhaustion due to working excessively or a lack of regular sleep. 4. It's a great antioxidant. Without a doubt, black garlic is a great ally to prevent the premature aging of the cells. Plus, it helps eliminate free radicals which, in excess, can cause many illnesses. 5. Treats respiratory problems. Aged garlic is very good for reducing asthma and allergy symptoms. Plus, it helps reduce colds, pharyngitis, laryngitis and other common respiratory problems. 6. It calms your nerves. Eating black garlic can work as a natural remedy to reduce excess stress. It works to calm anxiety, fight insomnia and reduce irritability and bad moods. Have you ever known the benefits of black garlic? Let me know in our comment section below.